How's it going, boys and girls? My name is Cowie and welcome back to the Carrot Club. In today's video, we're going to talk about what is filtering enabled, and I'm going to explain to you how this works and why we need it. So for you to understand this, I have to back up a little bit and explain to you what is the server and client relationship. So basically, the server is where the Roblox game exists, while the client is you, the players, playing the game. You can see on my screen, I have a server here, and this server has all the games you want to play. Let's say I want to play Dogecoin Simulator, for example. This is my Dogecoin here, and right beside it, I have this gray cube, which is a representation of the game world that is inside of a server. What's going to happen is, I'm going to come along at my desk, and I'm going to connect to the server to play some Dogecoin Simulator. The server is going to see that I have joined the game, and the server will be like, "Alright, Cowie just joined, let me show him what Dogecoin Simulator looks like." At this point, the server will make a copy of the Dogecoin Simulator world and send it to me. Now, you don't get everything from the server will give you enough just to play the game. So when I'm playing the game at my computer, I'm actually playing a local copies of Dogecoin Simulator that is downloaded from the server, while the server have its own copy. If I were to move in the game, my computer is going to send a signal to the server telling it that I just moved. So the purpose of the server is to synchronize every player's activity so everyone will see the same thing. That's why when you are in a game, you can see what everyone else is doing because everyone is sending a signal to the server telling it to update the game. So right now, I'm the only person in Dogecoin Simulator. Let's add Glowy and Coffee into the mix. They both join the game and they get a copy of the Dogecoin world on their own computer. We are having a good time getting a lot of Dogecoins, role-playing here and there, and then I decided to destroy the world by deleting stuff in the game. Because why not, right? There are people out there that just want to ruin your fun. So I have 4 screens right here showing all 3 players and the server. You can also see the Dogecoin Simulator world as well. So if I were to move right now, everyone is going to see me move, including the server. And if other people move, I will see them as well. If I decided to delete my Dogecoin Simulator world here, this should send a signal to the server saying, "Cowie just deleted the world, therefore I shall delete the world as well, and everyone in it will burn." No! Well, that doesn't happen. When I deleted stuff in my world, I only delete it on my own computer. As you can see, I have deleted my Dogecoin Simulator world here, but yet Glowy, Coffee, and the server isn't affected at all. They still see their version of the Dogecoin Simulator. The reason why the server didn't update is because of the filtering enabled feature. Anything that happens locally to a player only happens for that player because it is not within the rules of the game. So when I deleted the world, only my world gets affected. The server, Glowy, and Coffee's world is still perfectly fine. The only time when the server updates the game is when the server says so. For example, if I move, it will update the server so that other players will know where I'm at. If you purchase a weapon, this will update the server because everyone needs to know about it. And if I were to kill a monster, the server will update. So what filtering enable really does is it prevents exploiter and hacker modifying the game on the server. That way when player joins the game, they cannot just edit the game to get the best items and expect to win without playing. And that's it for filtering enable. I hope that I've explained well enough in this video so you guys understood what filtering enabled is. If you're confused, join the Carrot Club Discord server where you can chat about it and make friends from all over the world. The link is in the description below. So thank you boys and girls for watching, and I'll see you in the next video in game or at the Carrot Club. Take care everybody.